is Makisu.
Wrap your makisu in 2 layers of cling film so rice doesn't stick to it and it's easy to clean.
Nori, seaweed container I have, seaweed. Either you can have half cut. If you have a full size, like that, we're going to cut anyway in half. Container for the water. I have 2 types of chef's knife, gyuto like that, and like this European style chef's knife. Electric scale. We need sushi rice. Bowls for California mix and spiced tuna mix, and 2 spoons we need. Sesame seed. I use 2 different types, white and black. I mixed. I have a chopstick. It's quite useful in taking, but it's not very necessary. And I'll show you how to do chopstick in maybe next episode. So basically, I do this. You just hold with this one. Doesn't move, and this one you hold this 2 and make it same. All you have to do is just move this 1, 2, 3 toward. Yeah. And some sample plate like flat, because we're going to make only maki rolls. Going to decorate here, or if you prefer something like that or something like that. So 1 wet towel to wipe your hand and the place, and the knife. That knife also we have. So sesame seed, rice container bowl, water, and 2 small bowls, and scale. Add makisu and nori.
Start with half nori length pieces. Proper cucumber sizing is important for balanced sushi rolls. Cutting to half folded nori length helps keep the roll clean, even, and consistent. I'm doing katsuramuki here, but don't worry too much for now. We'll cover it in detail in another episode. Place the cucumber skin side up to help maintain a clean and even cut. Try to cut all the same thickness. Carefully remove the avocado skin with the knife to keep a smooth surface. Then slice it lengthwise into individual pieces all the same thickness. When holding the spring onion, imagine you're holding an egg. Try to keep the cuts consistent and avoid crushing the spring onion. Let the knife do the work rather than pushing down too hard. If the knife is dull, the spring onion will bruise and release too much moisture. Fine and even cuts will improve both texture and presentation. Curl your fingertips under so your knuckles guide the blade, and slowly slide your hand backward with each cut to keep the slices even and your fingers safe. Soaking cut spring onions in cold water for a couple of hours makes them curl up, removes the sharp raw bite, and keeps them crisp and fresh.
So this is going to be our first homework. Before we make any sushi, any maki, we need to master our hand to make wet all the time while we are using rice. So first you dip. My hand is now quite dry. So first thing is you dip one side, usually right hand, and transfer the water into the left, and then like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, dip, transfer, and 1, 2, 3. That's it. Yeah. So while you are doing, don't splash too much like that. Just so 5 finger first, because we quite dry, and then transfer 1, 2, 3 like this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Dip, transfer 1, 2, 3. So you need one wet towel for that. Anyway, we need towel, 2 towels, wet and dry. I have here dry hand towel. So dip, transfer 1, 2, 3. Dip, transfer 1, 2, 3. So while you're working, the hand is getting dried with rice. So you need to continue this. And if you need less water, you dip now 4 fingers. Yeah. Yes. And during the work, and probably 3 fingers. And not deep, but just shallow. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And sometimes 2 fingers like this, or this here. And then same. And the 1, finally 1. If you need a tiny bit extra. So far we did 3 episodes. First episode about rice fundamental, and the second knives. So first episode you must do it to cook sushi rice every time nicely. And second, I hope you somehow managed, you get at least 1 yanagiba. I hope you have everything in advance, but you have to decide when you want to make maki rolls. One thing I want to mention is this is what I use in my restaurant, mayonnaise and chili mayo. In terms of salmon and tuna, if you have a problem with getting tuna, that's okay. You can use tin tuna for the practice. If you don't like crab, you don't have to use crab, but you can use something else. As a practice, I would suggest just do as it is, because it's easier to follow then, and you can adjust once you master the basic. Okay, that's it. Then I see you next episode. So exciting.